Welcome back. You know, maybe it'd be nice to focus on something else for a change, right? My sister just called me from down at the house, said there's a snake and an alligator. So I'm going to grab my camcorder real quick and head down there and see if we can't capture some of that.
Look how big that turtle is. Holy crap. That is a big ass turtle.
What turtle?
You can't see him? It's right on. It's coming up.
Oh, yeah.
That is a huge turtle.
What about the snake? I ain't worried about the
snake
turtle yet.
is right over. So you'll have to lean it down.
Alright, let's see if the snake is still here.
See where that big tall stuff is?
Mm-hmm.
It's laying right on the rock underneath there.
I think the snake is gone.
Thank God. That snake is gone.
But it could be careful. It could be right over there.
No, it's right there. See it? Can you see it?
Oh, yeah. Okay. There's a snake hiding down in here.
He might live here.
He's off in there. We can't see the rest of them, but there's a snake. We're going to keep an eye on him. I don't know what that just was. Oops. Let's see if we can get a better look at this alligator out here. Alligator, Mr. Alligator. Wow. And somewhere, there's a big Mr. Turtle up here too, I think. Let's see if he's still out. I think he's up here somewhere. I think that limb is in the way. Hang on. No, the turtle's gone. He was up there.
That's a good sized snake down there, dude.
Yeah. Let me see if I can make this thing a little more steady.
That's an extremely low tide.
Now, if we could just get that Mr. Alligator to move around over there a little bit.
They don't.
Looks like he's smiling for the camera.
I ain't worried about that though. Alligators, the snake.
Okay, this is the second, only the second live alligator I've seen.
You see those alligator gar in there? You probably won't be able to film them with the fish. A lot of times there'll be 30 turtles there. But the fact that there ain't turtles there means there's probably an alligator sitting around somewhere. And the turtles have gone somewhere else. They're alligator snacks.
He's over got his jaw kind of open.
Well, you figure too, you know, when the tide's high, they can rest right there and you never even know they're there.
Yeah.
That's why it's kind of dangerous to be swimming a little bit. I know it's there somewhere. How did you get bit by that snake, Mr. Best?
I was swimming. And he didn't like it.
Did he leave?
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
He went down underneath. Went down around the corner underneath that thing hangs over.
Yeah.
He's up under there.
Huh?
So that's probably where he lives. He probably went home.
Well then, that was a pretty big snake. I think I'll stay away from him. Another alligator.
And there's another one.
Say what? No, I'm just looking. Ooh, gators. They blend in pretty darn good, don't they?
They do blend in. know, those alligators sure can sit for a long time without doing much anything. Of course, I don't think they're about to entertain us by doing any tricks for us. You never know that. Okay, I already know what's coming in the comments. Is that be careful, keep an eye on Bella, with gators in the area. And I do. When I was out recording that, Bella was in the bounder. And up in this part of the yard, I walk it. I walk along the tree line here where she likes to go and look down the bank and make sure there's no predators out there. Bella, what are you doing over there? She's hiding behind the tree for privacy. Here she comes. Come on. Anyway, I appreciate everybody's concern, but yes, I don't want Bella becoming an alligator snack. I don't want to lose Bella. So, of course, I watch her. Well, yeah, when I filmed that, she was in the RV, safe. I didn't lock it because I don't think alligators can reach up there and open my door. But anyway, what's going on? Yes, I wanted to change the topic up a little bit. It's just been, the whole coronavirus is, at its peak or somewhere close, maybe. We'll look back in at some of the videos someday and say, oh yeah, that's when that was going on. And obviously that's at the forefront of people's minds right now, and lots going on with that, so it is going to be topic off and on here, but really just wanted to break away from that today. And hey, we're in Florida. Let's check out Florida things. Come here. Bella, come here. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing, girl? Huh? You being good? Huh? She's being good. Just being good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed some of the wildlife here in Florida. I'll see what else I can come across. And that's it for this video. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for the sticker purchases. I'm surprised that thanks anyway. And yes, welcome everybody that's joined us on our Patreon page. And thanks everybody that's just watches our videos. It's appreciated. That's it. Till next time, I'll see you.